myself Bhagyavant. Basically, I'm from the district of Karnataka. I have done my engineering in electronics and communication from Sir Rameshwara Institute of Technology. If I want to talk about JSPIDER, yeah, it was a great experience and I have learned so many things after joining JSPIDER. If you consider about programming skills or communication skills, all of them I have learned after joining to the JSPIDER only. If I want to talk about lecturers, yeah, they were like really friendly and very supportive and very serious about student future. They will train you like anything. If I want to talk about requirements, yeah, there was huge requirement, after few days of joining to the JSPIDER. There are so many students get placed within a month after joining to the JSPIDER from our batch. If anybody is coming to get placed to the JSPIDER, it will definitely get placed. It matters about time, some people will take more time or some people will get placed within a month. Yeah, it always depends on time.